Good morning, students. In our last class, we have started vocabulary of the lesson My Childhood. So today we are going to complete the remaining part of the lesson. If you see in your textbook, grammar. In that, Roman number 1, read the following paragraph and note the underlined words. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups. However, my science teacher, Shiva Subramanya Iyer, thought though an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife was something of a rebel. He did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. Notice the underlined words or phrases in the above paragraph. So here the underlined words are what? On the whole, however, though. So these three are underlined words. So they are called linkers or discourse makers. So these three words we call them as linkers or discourse makers. So noticing and understanding discourse makers help learners to understand the logical structure of what they read and listen to. So the order of events and the attitude of the speaker or writer and what they refer to. So here think of the following. What makes the writer use the linker on the whole in the above paragraph? Give reasons. Why did the author has used the linker word on the whole? Do you have any idea? Yes, the writer used the linker on the whole in order to summarize the previous incidents when Kalam was separated from his close friend and ordered to sit in the last row by the new teacher Lakshmana Shastri. The priest of the temple told the teacher that he should not separate the position of social inequality and religious intolerance in the minds of innocent children. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. So these are the reasons. So see the second, what purpose does the linker however survive in the paragraph? However serves as a linker indicating the result of an action. So the science teacher was a broad-minded Brahmin while his wife was conventional and adamant of the beliefs. So see the third, what does the writer emphasize by using the linker though? So what does he emphasize? The linker though indicates contrast signal of two diversified thoughts. In this context, Shiva Subramanya Iyer did his best to break all the social inequalities and his wife was conservative and orthodox. The linker though was used to indicate the inheritance of family culture in Iyer on par with his ideas of breaking social barriers in spite of different backgrounds. So fourth one, why did the writer use the linkers? The writer used the linkers in order to bring the unity in the text. The linkers help to keep the ideas together, synchronize them, and assiduously arrange them to make the text effective. They are the pivotal words to maintain the logical structure and sequence of the passage. So here in the A thing you see, here is a list of linkers. Some of them can be used synonymously. Refer to a dictionary and group them in the following table according to the function they perform in a sentence or discourse. So see the words: firstly, to sum up; thirdly, neverthelessly; subsequently, moreover; equally, on the contrary; thus, therefore, so, similarly, besides, furthermore, still, at the same time, likewise, consequently, later, as a result, suddenly, hence, secondly, however, on the other hand, yet, in the same way, all the same, meanwhile. So these are the words which they have given. So here they have given a table. If you have space in your textbook, you write it there with the help of the pencil. This I have already done for you. So see here, serial number, function and linkers. So here they have given the functions, and by using the above words we have to write to which function which linker will belong. So that I have done it for you. You write them neatly with the help of the pencil in your textbook. So see the first one, indicating addition. So for that, linker words are besides, furthermore, moreover. Besides, furthermore, moreover. For second one, contrast, on the other hand, on the contrary, yet, still, nevertheless, all the same, however. So these words are linkers for contrast. So what are they? On the other hand, on the contrary, yet, still, nevertheless, all the above, however. Third one is result. For the function result, linker will be as a result, thus, therefore, hence, so, consequently. So the linkers for the function result is as a result, thus, therefore, hence, so, consequently. Fourth, indicating sequence in time. For that, linkers are later, suddenly, at the same time, meanwhile, subsequently. So the indicating sequence in time, what is that? Linker words are later, suddenly, at the same time, meanwhile, subsequently. And indicating parallel means similarity. Linker words are equally, in the same way, likewise, similarly. What are they? Equally, in the same way, likewise, similarly. Sixth, ordering points. Firstly, to sum up. Thirdly, secondly. So the linker words for ordering points are firstly, to sum up. Thirdly, secondly. See the B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate choices from brackets. So this one also I have done it for you. You write them neatly in your textbook. See the first. I don't want to go to a restaurant. Here they have given two words in the bracket. Besides, as a result, we can't afford it. So what we have to write here in the blank? Besides. First blank is besides. I don't want to go to a restaurant. Besides, we can't afford it. Second, a career in IT field is lucrative. At the same time, it is stressful and it can even be harmful to one's health. So here what they have given, similarly, at the same time. So second blank is at the same time. Third, I understand my problems, although, however, I can't help you. So here you have to write however. Third one, I understand your problems, however, I can't help you. Fourth one, transportation has developed a lot in India. Likewise, whereas the trade too has improved. Fourth one, what you have to write is likewise. Fourth one is transportation has developed a lot in India. Likewise, the trade too has improved. Fifth, some of the students scored low ranks in the exams, so that or consequently the teacher arranged a series of remedial classes. So the fifth one is consequently. So what you are going to write? Some of the students scored low ranks in the exams. Consequently, the teacher arranged a series of remedial classes. See the C. Complete the following paragraph by choosing the appropriate linking words. Here they have given some linking words in the box. What are they? Next, for example, however, secondly, finally, thirdly. So using these linker words, they are asking us to complete this paragraph. So this one also I have done it for you. You write them neatly in your textbook. See, linking words help us in many ways in writing. So next, see the first blank. For example, they help us in presenting our ideas in a meaningful way. And the second blank. Secondly, they help us to introduce and develop the main idea of the paragraph. See the third blank. Thirdly, they help us to illustrate and add supporting details. See the fourth blank. Next, they help us in moving from one idea to another by binding one sentence with another. See the fifth one. Finally, they help us to understand the ideas presented in the paragraph. See the sixth. However, using too many linking words ruins the structure and coherence of the paragraph. So this you have, I think you have understood this. I hope you are writing without any confusion. See the D. Join the following sentences using the linkers given in the brackets. So here, first one, see the questions first. There were freezing temperatures. They trekked for hours. In the bracket they have given in spite of. So for that first one, what you have to write is, in spite of freezing temperatures, they trekked for hours. First one is, in spite of freezing temperatures, they trekked for hours. Here down I have written, see, under this one, under answers I have written, you can see it and you can write. See the second question. It's an interesting city. We were going to visit it again. So in the bracket what they have given, such that. So how you have to write is, it's such an interesting city that we are going to visit it again. Second one, it's such an interesting city that we are going to visit it again. Third, we booked a holiday. We had very little money. In the bracket, although. Using it, how we have to write, you can see here. We booked a holiday although we had very little money. Third one, we booked a holiday although we had very little money. See the fourth, the tour guide was informative. We didn't need to reach our guidebook. Bracket is so that. So how you have to write is, see the fourth, the tour guide was so informative that we didn't need to read our guide. The tour guide was so informative that we didn't need to read our guidebook. See the fifth, he didn't like water. He booked a cruise. So in the bracket, in spite of the fact that. So how you have to write fifth one, in spite of the fact that he didn't like water, he booked a cruise. In spite of the fact that he didn't like water, he booked a cruise. See the sixth, preachers preach many good things. Many of them do not practice what they preach. In the bracket we can use though or even though. So how we are going to write, see here, sixth one, preachers preach many good things, though many of them do not practice what they preach. Preachers preach many good things, though many of them do not practice what they preach. See the seventh. Jainul Abdin had no formal education and no wealth. Here we have to use neither nor. So how we are going to write? Jainul Abdin had neither formal education nor wealth. Jainul Abdin had neither formal education nor wealth. See the eighth. The continental dimensions of the country account for the variations and diversities. There are several religious sects and beliefs. So here they have given besides. So how we have to write? See here, eighth one. Besides there being several religious sects and beliefs, the continental dimensions of the country account for the variations and diversities. Eighth one is, besides there being several religious sects and beliefs, the continental dimensions of the country account for the variations and diversities. So students, till here we have completed the class. I think you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Write them neatly in your notes, and I hope you have started writing your notes. So try to complete them in time, and we will be completing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.